Hi guys, welcome to Pradesh channel. So today we are reviewing this Bluetooth wireless microphone. So we got this from Amazon, and this mainly we bought for my daughter. She likes singing, and this comes in different colors. So if you see this, like it comes in gold, black, silver, rose gold, blue and pink, and we got rose gold. If you see this, so this is the rose gold color microphone, and the features wise, right, like if you see the features, so this you can use as FM radio to sing songs, and you can connect this to a laptop using a USB, and also you can connect this to iPhone or Android phones, and also you can insert a memory card, and also you can record songs. Okay, so regarding the microphone features, so firstly this is really very well built, and if you see it is very strong, and even if you see this mesh is very strong, and the power button, if you see, if you press for few seconds, right?
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Yeah, and like this is the first message you get, where you can pair this microphone to any Bluetooth device, so you can connect to laptop or phone, and those, like will check that later, how to connect to Bluetooth and how it works. And let's see what are the buttons this has. If you see this, where you have buttons for increasing the volume or lowering the volume, and also you have these buttons: scan, previous, next. So these buttons mainly we use, you can use when you connect this to a Bluetooth device. Like take example, if you are playing a song from your phone, right, if you want to pause, you can directly pause here, or you can play it. So that's a very good option. And next there are like different uh, options here. One is microphone volume, like whatever you speak, right, you can adjust the volume here. And these buttons are very smooth. If you see this, right, I'm like if you try to move this, it's very smooth. And also remix is mainly where you get a different, like if you want the echo or not, let me show you that. So now it is down, which means there is no echo. Hello, how are you guys? Welcome to Pradesh channel. Yeah, if you see, like if you hear, right, like there is no echo. And if I move this up, so now the remix is at the top, the button is at top. Let's see. Hello. Hey guys, welcome to Pradesh channel. So I'm like, it's really sounds good, and like you can use this mic if for parties or like even outdoor. So these are the different options where you can connect to laptop and and mobile. So you have a USB port where you can connect to laptop, and you have a headphone connector where you can connect to your phone, and you have aux, and also you have a memory card where you can insert here. So these are the different wires you get, cables you get, where you can connect the microphone to phone using, if you see this is a headphone connector, and this is where you can use this for connect to your laptop using a USB connector. And you get this user manual with this, and if you see, like it clearly says what are the different buttons you have, and also what are the different ports, and how to use, right, like where you can, how to do a Bluetooth connection, how to play music, how to adjust the sound, and also, right, how to record, even using this, right, where you can connect this different jacks to your laptop or phone, and you can record your music.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
So this is the message you get when you connect a Bluetooth device to this microphone. And let's play a song and let's see how the speakers are. So I'm playing this video. So this is my channel video, and if you see the music, right, it's coming from the speaker. Okay, so let's see how to do karaoke using this microphone. So first thing, right, you have to connect this microphone to a Bluetooth device. So now we are connecting to a iPhone, and we are playing the background instrumental song which will play in the microphone speaker, and then in the microphone, right, you can start singing. So let's see the demo now. Okay, let's see the pros and cons of this microphone. So this is from my personal experience. So let's start with pros. So first one is it's really very well built, and the sound quality is really good, and I really liked this is my personal one, like, which is the echo sound. It's really sounds good, you know, like in a party, or like if you are outdoor, right, the echo sound is good. And one more thing is my daughter really loves this. Next one is you can use this as a portable speaker, and you can connect this to a phone and laptop, and you can record music. And this has an option to insert memory card, and there are buttons, all the buttons, right, and the slide buttons and the normal buttons, they are really good. And this is less expensive. So I got this for $20 from Amazon. So I think sometimes you will have offers, you will have like $2, $3 off. You can check, and I'll put a link in the description. You can buy from there. And next one is you can use this for karaoke, right? That's a very good feature. And this is a good one, like, and where like you can give this for kids, right? This you can give for kids of like 2 to 12 years of age. So this will be a very good gift for kids. And next one is this has high quality noise cancellation technology, and I felt it is very easy to use, and the battery life is really good, and it comes for 8 hours continuously, and also the charging time is 2 hours. On the con side, I don't have much. But like if you see, right, the product is very well built, and the sound quality is good, and there is lot of features. And the only one thing what we felt is, like, whenever you are singing a song, right, the sound coming from the speaker, we felt it is bit low, but not too low. The sound wise, everything it's good, but we just thought like it can be better. But other than that, the product is really good, and it's highly recommended.
View to this. Here and view to this. Here.